MX, and we are GitHub for debugging. So have you ever like had an issue that your friend did before a week ago and like realized that hey, he told me about how to do it but I just don't remember it? So we are here to fix that. So like let's just say you're running into issues here right now and you're having like an issue. So I would suggest like go in your VS Code having our extension downloaded and do this, right click and explain this error. So this is MemEx working right now. So it's going to give you like what the error is, how to fix it, and past ingestions. We're going to talk about ingestions in a few seconds. So basically it's like you giving MemEx data and telling this is the issue and I fixed it how. So like here you can see what it means, what happened, how to fix it, and a similar past incidents. So we know this is how you fix it. Just add brackets. That's pretty simple actually. This is just a dumbed down example. So yeah. So, okay, now we're going to talk about how we ingest code. So now we fixed the issue. We're going to just have this whole thing put in and then ingest the selected text. And then I would say this is a medium priority case and a null pointer issue. And then we ingest it. And this actually has ingested. And we can see that MemEx has stored it. So yeah, this is how MemEx works. We basically ingest data and other users who have the similar issues use this data and kind of fix their own problems. Hey guys, I'm Sudarshan and I'm going to be talking about MemEx-Ai's brain. So this is our dashboard and our website for the API. So this is our primary use case. So like how GitHub, you can use it on VS Code. We also have like a dashboard for like the simpler use cases. So moving on, the primary case for this is if you have issues, you can just search it in the type bar like this, null pointer auth. Like if you have a null pointer auth issue, you can just search it up. And like if somebody in your team had a previous issue like this and they logged it, you can see that it pulled up. In our case, we have 4 results and 2 of them are resolved. So you can see how they're resolved and use this to fix your own issue. So exactly how would you ingest data? So this was the query. How do you ingest data if you want to like share stuff with your teammates? So yeah, let's move on here. So this is just a code and like these are the dev dependencies. So I'm going to like copy paste this in case somebody has an error with this and you spent like a few hours fixing this. Yeah, so you can just label it for whatever name you want and like prioritize it. I would call this a medium priority, and these are dev dependencies. Now you can store it in memory. So in case somebody's ever working on a project like this in the future, they have a similar issue, they can just call your logs and see what went wrong. So yeah, we also have everything stored in a timeline. Like for example, if you logged a error and you're like, oops, what have I done 7 days ago or like 10 days ago that like I fixed it 10 days ago, like why am I having the same issue again? You can just go back to your log and see how you fixed it. So yeah, you can do this. This is one of our core features. We have integrations. So we have OpenClaw. This is our primary integrator. We also have VS Code, GitHub Actions, Slackbot, and Sentry. So yeah, these are our integrations, and this page leads us to the API key. So how to implement it basically for every single one. And we also have API docs for like authentication, ingestion, query, and of course OpenClaw. So yeah, this is our web page. This is our like version of GitHub for debugging's website, and if more people use this, it will be better. Thank you.